I caught the major. It's $1,006. Wow. Paying $2. Beautiful, guys. Wow. I'm in disbelief. Oh, we're going. Oh, one spin. I should have picked the middle. Is that so beautiful, guys? You guys see this? Look at that. Count up, baby. Unfortunately, this is a jackpot. Or is it? Avoid it? Oh my gosh. Literally 1,200. Only started with $100, baby. Look at that. Beautiful. Something, please. T. Face single. Oh my gosh. Jackpot, guys. Couple more spins. I want to jump off and do something else. Okay. Oh my gosh. Jackpot right there, guys. Unexpected. Oh, finally. 30 credits probably.
Oh, good.
30 credits. I ain't gonna be 240 like yours, but oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Please make another match of that. Please make another match of that. No, stay away from that one, please. Oh my gosh, these are big numbers. Oh my gosh. Did I just hit 10 grand?
Is that what that is?
I think I did.
I think it is too.
I think I just did. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that.
Yeah, that's what that is.
Beautiful, guys, look at that. Again, guys, I appreciate everybody for... Ooh, look at that. Wow, guys. What? Oh, T? Oh, single. Okay. Oh, look at that. Ooh, beautiful. I don't want to apply all my body weight just to go red, babe. Go red. Something big, guys. Maybe T? Maybe? Nice. Stay. Woo! Come on, go another round. Stay. Ooh! Hope you guys are enjoying the stream. I am. Ooh, look at that, guys. Face mix bars. Woo! Look at that 240, guys. Beautiful. It's supposed to be like so something, guys. Go red. Holy crap, guys. I think it's triple. Right? Even better! And I'm hoping what you're saying happens. But oh my gosh. Look at that bingo pattern, guys. I thought, oh, look. I don't know what happened, guys. Do you see that? Are you guys seeing that? I didn't hit nothing, and I'm getting paid. Holy crap, guys. Look at that. Woo! Just all my friends and family. And, oh, guys. Triple. Oh, okay, even better. Look at that. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. Go red, go red. Ooh, look at that hot dog, baby. Something, please, please, please do it. Yes, we got something big, guys. The bingo patterns were really pretty. Hopefully I don't jinx it. We got a 6-pack so far. We got a champagne glass, baby. And oh, look at that, beautiful. Here we go, guys. Let's see what happens. Holy crap, 100, guys. Holy crap. What is this? Holy crap, guys. Look at that. Look at that number, guys. 240. Pretty much, it's going to be face triple. Am I lying or there's more? Oh, okay. That was a man code that we don't do against our females. Ooh, look at that, guys. 30 credits. More than 30. More than 30. Look at that, guys. Finally. Just one more. Holy crap, guys. Look at that. I just finally got this. Oh, guys, look at that. I don't know what it is. Oh, guys, look at that. Right? Ooh, look at that, guys. Holy crap, cop that Valentine. Something's gonna happen, though. Triple? Again. Back to back, guys. Back to back times on that. Something, please. Bam! Ooh, look at that. Single. I was about to quit on this. Double. Look at that, guys. There we go. Got it. Got it, baby. This is a good bingo pattern, guys. Got to open B. We got a lucky one. Stay. Look at that. Numbers adding up, guys. So, look at it. It's beautiful. Trick, you better wake up and swim up and give me my jewelry. Here, something else want to happen, right? Got it again, guys. The bingo patterns are really pretty, so let's see. Valentine's. We got the letter Y. Hot dog. Valentine's again. Letter Y. Double X. X. Arrowhead. T. Come on, baby. This looks beautiful, guys. Baby bug. Makes sense. Look at that. Look at that number jumping up. And the kite. Alright, got the mixed part. Oh, okay. Single. Ooh, guys, look at that. There we go. Probably 15 credits. Ooh, look at that. How about now? There you go. Mixed bars to a T at least. There you go. And triple. There you go, baby. Triple. Ooh, beautiful, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Beautiful, guys. Hopefully you didn't. Ooh, look at that, guys. 120 credit. Oh my gosh, 150 right there, guys. Got the peace sign. Here we go, red screen again. The bingo pattern's not that pretty though. Oh my gosh, look at that, 1200, guys. You guys seeing that right there? And they allow me to do this for you guys. Oh, we got a red screen, baby. Come on, do another big one. Do another big one. Stay red forever, baby. Come on, do it. Stay red. Come on, do it again, baby. Spin crazy. Woo! 320. Oh, guys, look at. Oh my gosh, betting on 2. So single, 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 or mixed bars. Ooh, look at that, guys. Double, double, double. There you go, guys. Come on, do it. There you go. This is pretty. Arrowhead. Open diamond. Cross. Cross. Arrowhead. Ooh, big diamond, open diamond. Yeah, Christmas tree. Open diamond. Beautiful. Ooh, 500. Come on, something. This might be good, guys. Based on our line, stay. 777. Ooh, even better. Triple, triple, triple. Now 777. Ooh, even better. Look at, please, 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 do it, do it, do it. Oh man, the bingo pattern looks pretty, guys. There you go. Another 120 credits, guys. Ooh, ooh, guys, look at that max split. Base single, single. Bam! Oh, something. Mixed bars, right? Go red, go red, go red. Oh, gosh, we got face single. We got the hot dog. Bam! Look at that. On. Okay, double, double, double. Oh, look at that, guys. Single, single, single. Even better. Okay. Ooh. How about now? Ooh, who we got it, guys? Look at bingo patterns. Pretty. $5 bet. Come on, guys. Fingers crossed. Let's let it spin forever, okay? We got the step ladder. We got the big diamond. We got the pirate stripes. Double cross. Peace sign. Whoa, guys. Ooh, we got a red screen, guys. The bingo pattern is not that pretty, but it's a red screen though. Ooh, guys, look at that, baby. Come on. Oh, thank you, everybody. Ooh, baby, look at that, another red screen. Snack back up. Ooh, $40, guys. Holy crap, what is next? Holy crap, that's like $125. Ooh. Ooh, guys, look at that, 6-pack. There you go, guys. Stick with it, it ain't done. Do it again. Oh, we got a red screen, guys. That looks kind of pretty. Finally, it gave us something. Oh, it went red again, guys. 304. Right here, right here. We got a red screen, guys. Alright. It's not a lot. Come on, baby. Go red forever. Keep on paying me, baby. Oh, we got the bonus too. Something, please. Ooh, look at that, guys. Cut $100 right. So, besides, it was my fault. Ooh, look at that, guys. Single, single, single. Ooh, even better, guys. We finally got the triple, triple, triple on there. Definitely we're going to do this again. There you go, guys. Mixed bars, maybe triple, triple, triple afterwards. Stay. Okay, we got triple, 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 guys. Triple, triple, triple. Bam. Ooh. Ooh, top the bonus, guys. Alright. I really hate thinking that we'll go this. Oh my gosh, guys. Red, right here. Right here, go red. Ooh! Ooh! 240, baby. Ooh! Oh, do something, please. Do something. Go red. Perfect. What's up, Casanova? Do it, stay. Ooh, this is pretty, guys. The bingo patterns are really beautiful. Look at that. Third spin already, guys. 7. Ooh. Look at that, guys. Go red. Ooh, this is gonna be pretty, guys. This is gonna be really pretty. Oh my god, guys. Come on, something, please. Something. Ooh, beautiful. Mix first. Stay. Here we go again, guys. Stay. 2 more times. Stay. Oh, we got it, guys. 777, right? Something, please. Something. The bingo patterns are pretty, guys. Really pretty. Stay. 3 more spins. 3 more spins. Stay. Red, white, blue. Oh my gosh. Then 777. Holy crap, guys. Very first push. Do it again right here. Oh, we got a red screen. This is good, guys. Stay. Alright. Stay. Oh, look at that. Woo! That was a beautiful one. The gentleman next to me was killing it on the 50-cent machine, guys. Ooh, keep on going, baby. I'm paying attention to somebody else's machine, and here we are making money right here, guys. Maybe not better than my neighbor, but woo! Ooh, look at that, guys. Boom! Please, something. Go red, go red. Ooh, guys. Face, single, single. Stay. Ooh, okay, now face, single, single. Stay. Oh, face, single, single. Come on, you gotta do it now. Okay, stay. Okay, face, single, single. Come on. We get it now. We got it. We got it. There you go, guys. Beautiful. Did you guys catch that? We gotta love the VGT, baby. Always good. Believe. Single. Ooh, guys. Wow. What is it? Triple, triple, triple? You guys. Ooh, T. Face. Bam! Max spin, guys. I don't. Oh, go red, please. We got mixed bars to single, single, single. There you go. Single, single, single. Oh, look at that, guys. Come on. Oh my god, man. Mixed bars. We got single, 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 guys. Oh, even better. Here it is. Face on the line, go red. Now we got mixed bars. We finally got a red screen, guys. It's not the prettiest. Ooh. What is it then? What's going on? Oh! Oh, come on.
Christine, she's our new coffee winner. $50 in free play.
Yeah, no, it's just we're trying to get rescued, just like that. All we want to do. One, we probably got like 3 more spins, and that should be it. Keep on ringing forever, baby. Keep on ringing forever, baby. Keep on going. Keep on going. There you go. There you go. This is a pretty little pattern, guys. Valentine. Got like maybe 6 more spins in.
You got more. But you may get depending on if you get a crazy corner. I don't know how far you're at on it.
Ooh, if I catch a crazy corner, that would be beautiful, guys. Look at that, how many red screens we got. I got the lucky gentleman sitting right next to me that's already been winning, and he's passing the luck over on my side. Look at that.
Look, Little Dipper, Bingo Buzzer.
I'm not even calling out the patterns and Wow.
There
Ooh,
you
look
go.
at that, guys. We finally did a double up.
There you go. Bingo, buddy.
And I'm only betting $2 too, guys.
Yep, here goes. Let's go crazy
Man,
corner.
imagine if I hit the max bet, though. Man, you're such a good luck charm, man, right?
No,
Look.
just a regular shot.
Either the biggest or... Ooh, guys. Wow. Like this machine is kind of cold. Ooh, guys, look at that. I don't know what, 15, right? Ooh, guys, look at that. Got a 6-pack. What else? Ooh. Give this a shot. Go. Mixed bars. Ooh, guys, look at that. Wow. I guess it's not. Oh, go red. Ooh, mixed. Wait, 777 or double. Ooh, red screen action. Just like that. Stay. Come on, 3 more times at least. 3 more times. There's 2. We got that. All right, corners. Come on, baby. Binger. Ooh, keep on going, baby. Oh, please. Ooh, this is pretty, guys. This is good. Okay, we got the open diamond. This is going to be really pretty. Hopefully. Okay, inside corners. Big diamond. Come on, baby. We got pirate stripes. Big diamond. And the Valentine's Day. Oh, look at that, guys. Off the bat. There you go. We got a red. Please let this be a different rotation. Right now we got eyes. We got step ladder. Oh, we're getting red screens together. Stay. Ooh, big diamond. Oh, guys, this might be really good. The bingo card is changing. We got step ladder again. Step ladder. Please rotate to something else, please. Arrowhead. This is gonna be very nice, guys. Big diamond. And if you pass on, then I'd lose a piece of myself. Little Dipper. Wow. Stay red forever. Another Little Dipper. Want you to know if you were gone, I don't know if step ladder. Can you see this money just building, guys? It's crazy. Big diamond. Come on, baby. How many spins so far is that already? Step ladder. Lock it up, right? That'd be so cool, bro. We got Valentine's right now. Wow. Oh, double cross, baby. And double cross. Something, please. Ooh, we got the T, guys. Face single. Oop. Look at that. Bam, baby. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is, baby. Ooh. Triple. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Look how beautiful that is.